So hi guys, so let's see what can happen tomorrow in the market. Tomorrow is Monday and today is Sunday. So over here in Nifty baby, as you can just see there is a narrow CPR and it's an ascending CPR. So ascending CPR means the logic is very simple. If tomorrow the candle is above the CPR, if it's not, the pre-opening is happening above the day CPR, then you can say that the market can go in an upside like that. The trend towards upside is still active. That's what you can tell. And the candle is opening below this. That means the trend reversal is happened. That's all. So maybe the opening will be playing a very important role tomorrow. And the first candle is very important to watch in. Okay. That's what I feel. So it's a wait and watch game. In the morning kya hota hai? Because apna market pagal hai, you know that. So if the candle is opening somewhere over here, okay. So always remember that according to the CPR logic, narrow hai, trend bol raha hai. So अगर कैंडल R1 के ऊपर ओपन होता है या S1 के नीचे या प्रीवियस या लो लाइन, तो मे बी रैली या नीचे खाड़ी के अंदर गिरने के चांसेस ज्यादा है. ओके, सो टुमारो द कैंडल इज ओपनिंग एग्जैक्टली इन बिटवीन R1 एंड CPR. विल ट्राई टू ब्रेक R1. इफ इट डजंट ब्रेक, इट विल डायरेक्टली कम टू CPR. एंड नैरो CPR है तो आई डोंट थिंक लाइक ब्रेक कर सकता है. लाइक दैट इट हैपेंस. सो नैरो CPR पे देखते हैं सपोर्ट मारता है कि नहीं मारा, सीधा नीचे. गॉट इट. That is the first candle logic according to me. Nifty is, and if the first candle is opening somewhere over here, so definitely if it doesn't break the previous day low line tomorrow, it will go back to the CPR. And for going that, you have to just watch out the jail bar. Jail bar वही 9:15 से लेके 9:35 तक देखते रहना क्या बोलता है करके. Got it? So that's a very good support also. So that's the basic CPR logic. First candle opening, and if the first candle opens over here in between, सीधा, so maybe chances of reaching R1 or maybe chance of reaching S1 is possible. याद रखना. So that is what the technically Nifty is telling. For Nifty, I think 19603 is a very good support. It's a very good support. अगर इसके नीचे जाता है, chances of dropping down will be there. अगर कल इसके नीचे नहीं गया, तो समझना नीचे जाएगा नहीं, उधर ही नाटक करेगा. Is it clear? And for going up ऐसा लग रहा है, बोल तो रहा है कुछ ज्यादा आएगा, 19900 ऐसा बोल रहा है, but we don't know, right? कल देखते हैं अपना बाजार क्या बोलता है उसके हिसाब से. Chances are there. अगर ऊपर भागा तो that's what Nifty is all about. So let's see in BN baby क्या बोलता है. BN में there is a one liner CPR ना. So in BN there is a one liner CPR. So maybe BN might be a problem tomorrow. Just give me a second, guys. So BN there is a one liner CPR. So that is a problem to watch in tomorrow. So BN also, you can say that it's the ascending CPR, but it's a one-liner CPR. One-liner CPR means the candle should open above this. The candle should open above 44,500 or the candle should open below this. Then only can expect a rally in the market. Agar candle idhar ho gaya open in between. If the candle is opening in between these 2 points, that is R1 and S1. So maybe the market will be in this, like this. Na mera na tera. So one-liner CPR, a lot of people doesn't know the logic of one-liner CPR. One-liner CPR, if there's a one-liner CPR, and if the candle opens above R1 or S1, अगर इसके ऊपर ओपन हुआ कैंडल तो बड़ा रैली ऊपर मारेगा. इसके नीचे ओपन होता है below S1, a big rally can happen. That's the logic of one-liner CPR. Or else what will happen is like normally what happens, if it just opens over here, the candle is opening over here, so definitely अपना जो CPR logic है, ये 50% इसका मार्क करना, या तो ये आपका टारगेट है. इफ द कैंडल इज ओपनिंग ओवर हियर, इफ इट डजंट ब्रेक S1, 50% इज योर टारगेट एंड देन CPR इज योर टारगेट. दैट्स द लॉजिक. व्हाट हैपेंस और एल्स व्हाट हैपेंस, अगर ये ऊपर टॉप पे ओपन हुआ, इसको ब्रेक नहीं किया, इट नॉर्मली गोज एंड टचेस दिस लाइन. एंड इफ द कैंडल इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर, इफ इट डजंट ब्रेक दिस लाइन, chances are there, like 50% chances are there, it goes and touches the previous day high line. So previous day high line, previous day low line, like that it acts. Or else better, if you're a scalper, then yeah, it's a good day for you. अगर अंदर ओपन होता है अपना R1 और S1 के बीच में, so better if you're a scalper, then it's a good day for you. If you're not a scalper, तो जाके बंद करके सो जाना ना, तो कैपिटल उड़ जाएगा. So technically this is what we can say, and these are the major support and resistance to watch in. So if the candle is opening above tomorrow, if the candle is opening above 44,500, maybe a positiveness will be there in the market. And if it's opening below this, इसके नीचे याद रखना 44,300 या इसके नीचे, तो market will be negative mode. That's what you can say. So this is a technicality what can happen. Shankically जो लगता है बोलता हूँ. So shankically what I feel is So shankically, what I feel, I will tell you. So tomorrow, maybe I'm expecting something like that. So maybe I can call it as a L pattern. Tomorrow, maybe L pattern or क्या ऐसी लग रहा है. So tomorrow, according to me, I'm expecting L pattern in the market. I'm just giving you L pattern tomorrow. So guys, don't blindly follow any pattern. Huh? पहले देख लेना लॉजिक, अगर लॉजिक और ये साथ में मिल रहा है then yeah, you'll get it like that. So tomorrow you can expect a L pattern. Maybe पहला candle will be a sudden red candle is what I am expecting. एक बड़ा red candle आया तो समझना कल का L pattern चालू हो जाएगा. So that's all for the days and just do let me know and like comment and let me know. कुछ मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं और कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है कि नहीं with this. और if anything special you want in my prediction video बता देना. So I'll just next time जब record करूंगा तो कुछ बताता हूँ. So that's all for the days guys and yeah, meet you up tomorrow at 9-7 and let's see क्या बोलता है अपना बाजार. And कुछ न्यूज चालू है उसके चक्कर में अपना किडनी मत बेच देना. Is it clear for everyone? Bye guys, see you tomorrow at 9-7 in our market and maybe सब सोया है ब्लैक पैंथर एंड ऑल, धीरे धीरे जागने वाला लगता है. बाय गाइस, सी यू.